Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things, IoT, is a network of physical objects, or things, that have been embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies to connect with other devices and systems and exchange data over the Internet. This network is referred to as the Internet of Things. This category includes everything from commonplace household items to highly specialized equipment for use in industry. Even though there is currently more than 7 billion Internet of Things devices linked, industry analysts anticipate that figure will rise to 10 billion by 2020 and 22 billion by 2025. Oracle has a partner ecosystem for several types of devices. Why is it so crucial to have the Internet of Things, IoT? The Internet of Things, IoT, has emerged as one of the most essential technologies of the 21st century during the previous few years. The ability to connect commonplace items, such as household appliances, cars, thermostats, and baby monitors, to the Internet through embedded devices has made it feasible for people, processes, and things to communicate with one another seamlessly. With the use of low-cost computing, the cloud, big data, analytics, and mobile technologies, data may be shared and collected amongst physical items with little to no intervention from humans. In our world, when everything is connected to everything else, digital systems can record, monitor, and adapt every interaction between connected things. The real world interacts with the digital world, and both worlds work together. Which technologies have made the Internet of Things a reality? Even though the Internet of Things, IoT, is a concept that has been around for quite some time, its implementation has only recently become feasible thanks to several developments in a variety of fields of technology. Availability of sensor technology that is both inexpensive and energy efficient. The Internet of Things technology is becoming more accessible as prices for sensors drop and their reliability improves. Connectivity. Because of the proliferation of network protocols for the Internet, it is now much simpler to link sensors to the cloud and other things to facilitate the transfer of data effectively. Platforms for computing in the cloud. The proliferation of cloud computing platforms makes it possible for consumers and organizations alike to gain access to the requisite scalable infrastructure without really having to take on the burden of managing it all themselves. Analytical learning and machine learning. The development of machine learning and analytics, together with the availability of diverse and extensive amounts of data saved in the cloud, has made it possible for businesses to acquire insights more expediently and straightforwardly. The Internet of Things, IoT, is continually having its limits expanded as a result of the development of related technologies, which in turn are fed by the data that is generated by IoT. Conversational artificial intelligence, AI. Natural language processing, NLP, which has been brought to IoT devices, such as digital personal assistants Alexa, Cortana, and Siri, as a result of advancements in neural networks, has made these gadgets more appealing, more inexpensive, and more feasible for usage in the home. What exactly does industrial IoT mean? The term Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT, refers to the implementation of Internet of Things, IoT, technology in industrial environments, particularly in the instrumentation and control of sensors and devices that make use of cloud computing. An excellent illustration of IIoT may be seen in this Titan use case document. Machine communication, or M2M for short, has become increasingly common in modern industry as a means of achieving wireless automation and control. Nevertheless, with the development of cloud computing and other related technologies, such as analytics and machine learning, businesses now can accomplish a new automation layer and, as a result, establish new income and business models. The IIoT is often referred to as Industry 4.0, which is shorthand for the fourth wave of the Industrial Revolution. The following is a list of typical applications for the IIoT. Smart manufacturing. Assets that are connected and undergo both preventative and predictive maintenance. Smart power grids, smart cities, connected supply chain logistics, intelligent and digitally based supply chains. IoT is the key to unlocking value for businesses. Companies are capitalizing on the immense potential financial value that the Internet of Things, IoT, can bring as it becomes increasingly prevalent in the market. These advantages include the following. IoT data can be analyzed to produce data-driven insights, which can help improve corporate management, enhancing the productivity and efficiency of the workings of a corporation, developing new ways of conducting business and generating income, connecting the traditional business world with the digital world in an effortless manner to generate a rapid time to value. What exactly are applications for the IoT? SaaS applications for the Internet of Things that are ready for business use. IoT intelligent applications are pre-built software, as a service, SaaS, applications that can analyze and show IoT sensor data to corporate users via dashboards. These apps can be accessed over the Internet of Things. We offer a complete suite of intelligent applications for the Internet of Things. Applications for the Internet of Things make use of machine learning algorithms to analyze vast volumes of data collected in the cloud by linked sensors. You can gain visibility into critical performance metrics, data for mean time between failures, and other information by utilizing real-time dashboards and alerts provided by the Internet of Things. Algorithms based on machine learning can detect anomalies in equipment, notify users of the problem, and potentially initiate automated fixes or preventative countermeasures. Users in the corporate world can swiftly improve existing procedures for supply chains, customer support, human resources, and financial services by utilizing Internet of Things apps that are hosted in the cloud. It is not necessary to start the business process from scratch in its entirety. How exactly do apps for the Internet of Things get deployed? A wide variety of applications are being driven by the Internet of Things capacity to both offer information gleaned from sensors and facilitate communication between individual devices. The following is a list of some of the most often used applications and what they are capable of doing. With monitoring of both the machines and the products themselves, new efficiencies can be created in the manufacturing process. Machines are capable of being continuously monitored and studied to ensure that their performance falls within the acceptable range of variation. Goods can also be monitored in real time, allowing quality issues to be identified and addressed immediately. Enhance the ring fencing of physical assets as well as the tracking of these assets. Businesses can immediately know the whereabouts of their assets thanks to tracking. Through the use of ring fencing, they can guarantee that high-value items are shielded from the risk of theft and removal. Wearables can be used to monitor human health metrics as well as the circumstances of the environment. Wearable technology connected to the Internet enables individuals to have a deeper understanding of their health and gives medical professionals the ability to remotely monitor patients. This technology also gives businesses the ability to monitor their employees' well-being and safety, which is especially helpful for people who toil in perilous environments and who are paid by the hour. In existing processes, encourage efficiency and the discovery of new opportunities. One illustration of this is the utilization of IoT technology to enhance both productivity and safety in connected logistics for fleet management. IoT fleet monitoring allows businesses to better direct trucks in real time, which results in increased productivity. Make modifications to business processes possible. One illustration of this would be the usage of Internet of Things, IoT, devices, for linked assets to monitor the state of health of remote machines and initiate service calls for preventive maintenance. The capability of remotely monitoring machines is also enabling new business models known as product as a service, in which customers do not need to purchase a product, but instead pay for the utilization of that product. Benefit from IoT? The Internet of Things is best suited for businesses that could gain an advantage from incorporating sensor devices into their operational procedures. Manufacturing. If a manufacturer uses production line monitoring to enable preemptive repair on equipment, whenever sensors identify an impending malfunction, the manufacturer will have a competitive advantage over their competitors. Sensors can truly measure if there is a decrease in the output of production. Manufacturers can immediately verify equipment for accuracy with the assistance of sensor warnings, or they can withdraw the equipment from production until it can be fixed. Automobiles. The automotive sector is well positioned to reap major benefits as a result of the implementation of IoT technologies. In addition to the benefits that accrue from applying IoT to production lines, Sensors may detect the impending failure of equipment in vehicles that are already out on the road. When this occurs, the sensors can send an alarm to the driver along with specifics and advice. How did you like the video? Do you like it? Leave your valuable comments in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel on YouTube.